Yeah.
Record me on. Hey, people! Take it down just so we can hide production.
Okay.
That's fine.
Love you, Dad.
Come on, open the door.
Okay.